Hey Ray, it's Eddie, Multi-Man Services. I thought I'd film this quick video to basically explain how I feel about gutter guards on your home, if it's a good fit or not. The last thing we need to do is cause another problem, because I've seen it before. You know, even the best gutter guards, unfortunately, don't work on every house. So after I walked around your house here, I kind of thought to myself that maybe gutter protection isn't the best fit for you. For a few reasons. More or less, if you think about the purpose of gutter guards is to keep everything out of the gutters and so that they don't clog up your gutters, keep the debris from clogging on your roof. But you take a look at the way your roof is designed. It's a very flat roof when it comes to where your gutters covers are going to be sitting. So if you look, especially right here, you see how the nose or the outside end of the gutter, front lip of the gutter right there, is level or higher than the shingles. And then the reason this is a problem, because if I was to install covers, instead of the covers being slanted and stuff sliding off the covers real nicely, things are actually going to start collecting on top of your covers and causing a dam, and then you got water going the wrong direction, and it actually can the way the covers are installed is it can lift your shingles up a little bit and cause more issues. So you have half round gutters. If you look at your neighbor here, you can see this gutter here, and it's a different style. These are called K-style gutters, and you can see how on this downspout here it is the gutter is hung lower than the shingles. Even that allows for the gutter and the guards to perform normally. So this is K-style gutter. So when you get back here and you want to kind of understand a little bit of your situation, K-style and half round is what you have. Not sure if it's a good fit. Now, the last time I was here, I did put those green, you can see here in the video, the green gutter sticks. So to be honest with you, that is really the best and perfect solution for this home with regular cleaning. I say twice a year, not every other year. And so in between cleanings, these downspout filters, or they're called gutter sticks, actually allow even though debris is falling in your gutter, they allow your gutters to flow into your downspouts here. I do have a few suggestions. Sorry for the crazy video here. I have a few suggestions. Now it is raining, and these over time they dry out, and the rain, they just become hard and crusty. So this is doing nothing. The rain isn't going to roll this out. It's just got memory at this point. So that should be replaced. We could figure out a solution for that if that's something you'd like for us to do. And also another thing, you know, when you bought this house, it was like move-in ready, right? It was painted. It's a beautiful house, but over time, the house starts to show signs of aging, and I'd like to point that out to you real quick here. So you know, you're going to invest, you know, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 for gutter protection. And then you're going to be left with this problem here. That is evidence of your metal rusting in the gutters through the paint. So these gutters have been painted before, and there's really no point in investing money in gutter protection if in the next few years you're going to have holes going through your gutters. I'm just looking to do the best thing for you here, Ray. So I thought I would show you another spot on the house that also has some rust, that because of an improper flow of your gutters. Let me show you that here. Man, this darn rainy day is getting quite annoying. Okay, here it is. It's over here. So if you look here, you can see where the water is cascading sometimes over the lip of this gutter onto the fascia board. You see the coloration difference in that on the right side of that downspout. It's got rust stains. So you know, my suggestion is just to stay in the boat that you're already in. You know, when you had us out, you paid for the ultimate gutter cleaning service, and moving forward, you don't need to pay that much for gutter cleaning. We can sign you up for our Gutters Always Clean package, and that allows for us to just come up to your house. We clean everything nicely, clean up after ourselves. We do that 2 years. Typically, most of our clients like to have us do their outdoor window cleaning at the same time. So it's kind of a 2-service operation. Now, after you watch this video, I'd like for you to get back to me on how you'd like to proceed. If you really want to invest money on preserving and maintaining your amazing home here, I have a video at the end of my inspection here that I just did that I encourage you to watch, and it talks about roof maintenance. Your roof is showing signs of getting older, aging. You have a 3-tab roof, not architectural. If you look around at your neighbors' houses, they have the newer style architectural shingles. Now, to replace this roof based on the pitch, it would be quite costly, but you can see signs of the rust stains on your shingles because of the vampire straps on your downspouts are starting to poke up a little bit here. So check out this quick video about how you can extend the life of your roof and avoid the hassle of a roof replacement down the road. Maintenance now saves you a lot of money down the road. Thanks for watching this, Ray. Remember to get back to me on how you'd like to proceed after you watch this. Take care.
The summer heat and winter cold turn your shingle roof into a brittle mess. Replacing it will cost you a fortune, and if this happens, it's even worse.
Think you need a new roof? Think again.
Introducing Roof Max, the first professional and affordable roofing treatment that is scientifically proven to reduce an asphalt roof's aging process. With Roof Max, you'll have the protection of a brand new roof and save thousands. Roof Max's skilled technicians apply a safe, effective, and affordable natural treatment. And within hours, you have a roof that performs like a new roof. Roof Max's exclusive treatment resaturates old, dried shingles with a natural, bio-friendly formula that quickly restores flexibility and water-repelling protection guaranteed. Look, this is a 17-year-old asphalt shingle. It literally disintegrates. But here's an identical 17-year-old shingle that we treated with Roof Max's proven formula. It passed rigorous independent testing as a new shingle.
So your roof can even look like new. This neighborhood's roofs were ravaged by Hurricane Sally, but this house treated by Roof Max had absolutely no damage.
So a Roof Max roof can also pass a home inspection if you're getting ready to sell or for insurance, saving you money. Check out our website to see impeccable reviews saving thousands of roofs and millions of dollars. Remember, a new roof can cost you tens of thousands. And who wants to deal with days of this? Keep your family safe and happy with Roof Max.